This is our 150 kg jelly candy Starch Mogul line. Now we can see workers put the starch tray on the machine conveyor, then the molding machine presses shapes on the powder. The forming machine deposits cooked syrup onto the starch powder tray. You can use this machine make different shapes, different colors gummy or jelly candy. Then the workers take off the tray from the conveyor. They will move the trays into the drying room. After the gummy dried, we need to use a de-starching machine to remove the excess starch from the gummy surface. This machine has a vacuum system. It can avoid the starch powder pervade in the room, so the space can keep clean and safety. If you need this machine, please feel free to call me. I will do my best to support you with turkey solution.